Hi everybody, my name is Michael Levan, and in this video we're going to learn how to set up the AWS integration using Terraform. So what I'm going to do is, under my organization, I'm going to scroll down to integrations here, and then I'm going to click AWS. Now from here, we have our CloudTruth account ID. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to head over to VS Code. Okay, so I'm at VS Code here, and as you can see, I have my provider set up that I'm using the AWS provider in Terraform. Let me zoom in here a bit. And then underneath the resource, as you can see, I'm creating a new role. I'm going to call it CloudTruth IAM. I'm going to assume this role policy right here that essentially allows the CloudTruth AWS account ID to assume this role. Now what that's going to do is that's going to allow us to connect from CloudTruth to AWS. Scrolling down here, we can see that we have a few policies that we want to attach to this role. The first policy is Amazon S3 full access. The second is SSM full access. And then the third is for secrets manager read and write. Now you'll see why in a second that we need this, but essentially when we're in the CloudTruth portal, we're going to pick and choose if we want CloudTruth to have access to S3, SSM, secrets manager, and we'll go ahead and we'll give it all three. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save this. I'm going to open up my terminal here, and then I'm going to run terraform init to initialize that backend and pull down the package. Terraform plan to ensure that the code looks good. And then finally, Terraform apply, and we'll throw an auto approve at the end of that. Okay, and as we can see, our role is now created. So again, if we go back up here and we take a look at the name, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy that. Let's head back over to CloudTruth. We'll go to AWS actually really quick. And then we'll open up IAM. Then from here, I'm going to go to roles. And then as we can see, we have our role name, and then the trusted entities is this account, which is right here in our CloudTruth portal. Now what we can do is we can click add AWS account. We'll go ahead and we'll pop in our account ID, our role name, which is CloudTruth IAM. And then right under here, this is what I was referring to when you have to pick and choose what you want CloudTruth to have access to. So we'll give it all three since that's what we set the role up for, and then we'll allow write access. We'll go ahead and we'll save that. And then we'll go ahead and we'll wait for CloudTruth to connect to AWS. And as we can see, our CloudTruth account is now connected successfully to our AWS account. Thank you so much for watching.